Welcome back folks to my channel Gotta Wander. My name is Paul and this video will hopefully be the first of many where I will share with you a behind the scenes look at how my channel is progressing. For the better or for the worse. I will show the amount of views my videos get and how much revenue I receive from my different monetization streams. This type of content is very rarely shown on YouTube, and if it is, that YouTuber will normally only share it with you if you've joined a subscription service like Patreon or similar, where you need to pay them monthly for this exclusive content. The videos I share will be completely free because, well, I only do this and enjoy it as a hobby, and I don't really like self-promoting that much or getting anyone to sign up for a monthly fee, etc. It's just not my style. All I will say is that if you do like this video or any of the others on my channel, consider subscribing and giving that particular video a thumbs up. That again is completely free, but it means my video may get viewed more and lead to a small amount of revenue, which I receive from ad views. I can then use that to create more content for my channel. So far, everything has come from my savings, and that will continue for the foreseeable because, as you will see, YouTube isn't that lucrative. If my channel became more popular in the months and years ahead, all well and good, and you will be with me to see how this affects revenue as well, because as I said, I'll keep doing these videos as it progresses. Also, feel free to leave a comment below my videos. I do respond to 99% of them, as I really do appreciate anyone taking the time to watch and contribute, so I do the same. The reason I don't reply to 1% is because those few comments come from the idiots in our society that we all know and love. Thankfully, these are few and far between, and I've received some great feedback and suggestions for future videos, along with very nice compliments, which keeps the motivation up and lets me know, as an audience, you're enjoying what I am filming. So if you don't receive a reply to your comment, maybe reread what you've just written and you will immediately know you are most likely in that 1% group. For the rest of you, you can expect a reply, and of course, each and every one of you that have subscribed, thank you very much for the support to date. I really appreciate it. Right, let's get stuck in. For those of you watching for the first time, my channel is very simple. I wander to a range of different places around Europe and film from a point of view perspective, meaning the viewer hopefully gets immersed into the environment and can enjoy the experience for themselves. While I do talk in some intros and outros, you will mostly see subtitles for the main part of the videos, because I love the environment to do the talking, whether it be the birds singing, waves crashing, or crowds cheering. Let's take a quick look at where the channel was back in October 2022, and then I will show you where the channel is at today. Okay, so this was a screen share I took back in October 2022, and after typing in my channel name, Gotta Wander, and clicking on the channel itself, I'm first showing you a video of my match day experience at the Nou Camp, which at the time was at 202 views. Zooming in a little, we can see that 14 people have subscribed to my channel so far. 14, wow. And at the time, for someone who had never used the likes of Instagram and last visited my Facebook profile about a decade earlier, I must admit, I was getting pretty dizzy from all this attention I was getting. So, clicking top right and going to YouTube Studio, which is where you post and edit all your videos from, we go into the main dashboard. But what I want to show you here is the monetization tab on the left hand menu. So once in this section, YouTube tells you what criteria you need to meet in order to earn money from your videos. And as you can see, I have 14 subscribers, you need 1,000, and I have 43 public watch hours, and you need 4,000. The other two already have green ticks beside them because I did the two-step verification, and I have no community guideline strikes. Okay, so let's see how my channel is doing today, 8 months later in June 2023. 1,060 of you has kindly subscribed and joined the Gotta Wander family, and from 10 videos in October 2022, I now have 55 videos published. On my dashboard, you can see that as of the 6th of June, I am now in the YouTube Partner Program, i.e. my channel has been monetized, so I am eligible to receive a small portion of the revenue from people watching the ads on YouTube. How small, you ask? Well, as shown, my revenue since getting monetized is just shy of 20 bucks. This Gotta Wander fella, proper influencer right there. All jokes aside, it's still cool seeing anything at all come in, and I met my own personal goal of getting monetized and making €1, so I am pretty content regardless of how the channel progresses from here. I do have 2 other revenue streams which I will show you the current status of now, and will show them again in future behind the scenes update videos. Again, be ready to be wowed. I'm really showing the non-glamorous side of YouTube today. Oh yes, and before I show you those, to give you a timeline, that $20 or €18 approximately has come from Tuesday the 6th when I got monetized to Sunday the 11th, so 5 days so far. Heading back to my main channel landing page, on the bottom right of the banner, you can see 4 icons which are links to my Instagram, Paul Joseph Gotta Wander, my Facebook page, Gotta Wander, and the other 2 revenue streams. My Spreadshirt shop selling hoodies and the likes, and my coffee donation fund, because anyone watching my socials or videos knows I love my coffee. Jumping in to the Spreadshirt shop first. This is a store I set up with hoodies, short and long sleeve t-shirts, etc. And how this works is that when someone buys a hoodie or any other item, I get a percentage of that sale. The shipping and payment is handled by Spreadshirt itself. They just use the design I provided them. Merchandise and shops like this is quite popular in the likes of the USA, as they seem to love their merch, as they call it, but doesn't seem to be as popular over here. I am a good example of this because I set this up a few months ago and I have 0 sales to date. I probably should promote it more in my videos, but I think it's enough if everyone just knows and is aware that it's there, and if they would like to support the channel by buying a hoodie, then that's enough for me. I got some samples myself before putting them on sale to test the quality and ensure that any buyer does not receive pure crap, and I can confirm that they are high quality product and worth the price. Before we move on, one thing I find as funny is that I have bestsellers here on this page, but I've sold feck all to date. So that is my merch shop. Next is the coffee donation fund. Let's see how that is doing. The Buy Me a Coffee website is where viewers can click on this link found in the description box below my videos and buy me a coffee. Basically donate €5 or more to the channel. So a virtual coffee as such. And I felt very humbled a couple of weeks back when I got gifted my first coffee from Thomas, who liked the matchday video I published. Thank you, Thomas, you made my day with that. The generosity of some folks is amazing. Anything I get from these revenue streams, be it ad views, hoodies or coffees, 100% of it now and in the future will go towards creating the next video. So for whoever donates, thank you very much in advance. Those 3 revenue streams combined gives a grand total of €23 or $25 when rounded up. I hope this video shows that it's extremely tough to make it on YouTube. I would advise anyone starting to only do so if they enjoy it as a hobby, like myself. If you're hoping for extra income or to build a business through this form of social media, you might be left disappointed. With that being said, I will share one of these videos every few months with you so you can all see if this channel suddenly hops on a rocket ship to the moon, screeches to a halt, or progresses somewhere in the middle of these two. I hope you enjoyed. Please subscribe and like if you did, and I will catch you on my next wander. In the meantime, check out my channel. There's literally something for everyone, such as this playlist or video, if you would like to start there.